Today we're doing an HID upgrade kit on the 9.3. Basically it's simple. You get your ballast. You want to mount your ballast where you want your ballast at. Your cover plate, you're going to want to drill your hole and mount that and use like a little bit of silicone or rubber sealant around that, and that'll keep your lights from fogging up and give it a good tight water seal. And basically we're gonna go on from there, and I guess go in there and put the key on and show them what the yellow looks like, the factory looks like.
I just put the key in?
Yeah. Just put the key in and just turn it a little bit. You got any power? Alright. That's the factory color right there, which is like a yellowish, and when we're finished it'll be a blue. So that'll look a lot better. So we'll show you the finished product as soon as we're done. Thank you. And this is the difference from one to the other. Totally big difference. And at nighttime it will look really good and way brighter. And I'm gonna do the fog lights in the same color soon. So thumbs up, subscribe. If you have any questions on Saabs, there's the silver 04 Arrow. I'm gonna do a couple things of that, and it's pretty much ready for sale. So if anybody wants to purchase it, and it has every single upgrade done, from big turbo to Do 88 big charge pipe kit, handheld Brew City Boost programmer, like 8 different tunes, up for sale, guys. I just like the new style front a little better. So subscribe, thumbs up, and let me know. Thanks. And that's the finished product with both blue. Boy, it's gonna look really good at nighttime.